In today's digital landscape, understanding YouTube monetization is crucial for content creators aiming to turn their passion into profit. This topic is essential as it empowers creators to navigate the platform effectively and maximize their earning potential. Viewers can expect to learn about various monetization strategies, including ad revenue, channel memberships, super chat, and merchandise shelf options, all of which provide diverse income streams. Additionally, we will delve into the YouTube Partner Program, which is a gateway for creators to access these monetization features. Joining this program not only allows creators to earn money directly from their content, but also offers valuable resources and support from YouTube. By becoming a part of this community, creators can unlock the potential for significant financial rewards while building a loyal audience. Understanding these monetization avenues can lead to greater engagement and sustainability in a creator's journey. So, whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your existing channel, this exploration of YouTube monetization will equip you with the knowledge to thrive in the competitive world of online content creation. Get ready to discover the exciting possibilities that await you on this platform. The YouTube Partner Program, YPP, offers creators a structured pathway to monetize their content, but there are specific requirements and tiers to consider. To qualify for the lower tier, creators must meet certain eligibility criteria, including having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours within the past 12 months. This threshold is crucial as it demonstrates a channel's engagement and potential for generating revenue. Once these requirements are met, creators can apply to join the program and start earning from ads, memberships, and more. For those aiming for higher tiers, maintaining and growing subscriber count and watch hours becomes even more important, as these metrics directly influence revenue potential and overall channel success. Additionally, it's essential to note that geographical restrictions apply. Not all countries have access to the YPP, which can limit participation for some creators. Understanding these requirements and the significance of subscriber engagement is vital for anyone looking to monetize their YouTube channel effectively. By meeting these criteria, creators can unlock a range of monetization opportunities and take their content to the next level while reaching a broader audience. Fan funding features on YouTube provide creators with unique monetization tools that enhance viewer engagement and foster community support. Among these tools are Super Chat, Super Stickers, and Super Thanks, each designed to facilitate direct interaction between creators and their audiences. Super Chat allows viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted during live streams, ensuring they stand out amidst the chat flow. Similarly, Super Stickers offer a fun way for fans to express their support through colorful graphics, adding a visual element to their contributions. Super Thanks, on the other hand, enables viewers to show appreciation for a specific video by leaving a monetary tip, further encouraging creators to produce quality content. These features not only provide financial support, but also enhance viewer engagement during live streams, as fans feel more connected to the creator and their community. Viewer donations play a crucial role in sustaining creators' efforts, allowing them to invest in better equipment, production quality, and content development. By leveraging these fan funding options, creators can cultivate a loyal audience while generating revenue, ultimately enriching the YouTube experience for both themselves and their viewers. Channel memberships on YouTube provide creators with a recurring revenue model that allows fans to support their favorite channels on a monthly basis. By offering memberships, creators can establish a steady income stream while fostering a deeper connection with their audience. Members typically pay a monthly fee in exchange for exclusive perks, which can include access to members-only content, custom badges, emojis, and live chats. These benefits not only enhance the viewing experience, but also encourage community engagement, as members feel a sense of belonging and recognition within the channel. Creators have the flexibility to set up their memberships according to their preferences, tailoring the perks to suit their audience's interests and needs. This customization can range from behind-the-scenes content and early access to videos, to special live streams or shout-outs in videos. By strategically designing membership offerings, creators can attract and retain subscribers, ultimately boosting their channel's growth. The ability to adapt membership tiers and benefits allows creators to respond to audience feedback and trends, ensuring that they provide value while maximizing their earning potential. Overall, channel memberships serve as a powerful tool for creators looking to monetize their content and build a loyal community. YouTube Shopping is an innovative feature that allows creators to sell products directly on their channels, transforming the platform into a dynamic marketplace. This functionality enables creators to showcase their merchandise, whether it's clothing, accessories, or digital products, directly beneath their videos, making it easy for viewers to browse and purchase items without leaving the platform. The integration with e-commerce platforms like Shopify streamlines this process, allowing creators to sync their product catalogs seamlessly. This partnership not only simplifies inventory management, but also enhances the shopping experience for viewers, as they can explore a wide range of products curated by their favorite creators. However, it's important to note that YouTube Shopping is subject to geographical limitations. Not all creators or viewers have access to this feature, as it is currently available only in select countries. This restriction can impact the potential reach and sales for creators outside these regions. Despite these limitations, YouTube Shopping represents a significant opportunity for creators to monetize their content and engage their audience in new ways. By leveraging this feature, creators can enhance their brand presence and drive sales, ultimately enriching their overall YouTube experience. The ad revenue model on YouTube is a primary source of income for creators, generated through advertisements displayed on their videos. When viewers watch these ads, creators earn a share of the revenue, with YouTube taking a percentage as part of the partnership. Typically, creators receive about 55% of the ad revenue, while YouTube retains the remaining 45%. This model incentivizes creators to produce engaging content that attracts viewers, as higher view counts can lead to increased earnings. In addition to traditional ad revenue, creators can also benefit from YouTube Premium, a subscription service that allows members to watch ad-free content. When premium subscribers watch a creator's videos, the creator earns a portion of the subscription fee based on the total watch time of their content. This provides an additional revenue stream, rewarding creators for their work even when ads are not shown. However, maintaining good standing with YouTube's policies is crucial for creators to continue earning from both ad revenue and YouTube Premium. Violating community guidelines or copyright rules can lead to demonetization or account suspension, significantly impacting a creator's income and growth potential on the platform. Affiliate marketing presents a lucrative opportunity for creators on YouTube to promote products they don't own, allowing them to earn commissions on sales generated through their unique referral links. By partnering with brands and including these links in their video descriptions, creators can recommend products that align with their content and audience interests. This approach not only diversifies their income streams, but also enhances the value they provide to viewers by sharing trusted recommendations. The benefits of affiliate commissions are significant. Creators can earn a percentage of each sale made through their links, which can accumulate to substantial earnings, especially if they have a loyal and engaged audience. This model encourages creators to produce authentic and relatable content, as viewers are more likely to trust recommendations from creators they admire. Moreover, the trend of affiliate marketing on YouTube is rapidly growing, with more creators recognizing its potential to monetize their channels. As audiences increasingly seek product reviews and recommendations on the platform, creators can leverage this demand to build partnerships with brands. By effectively integrating affiliate marketing into their content strategy, creators can enhance their revenue potential while providing valuable insights to their viewers, making it a win-win situation for all involved. In this video, we explored the various monetization options available on YouTube, highlighting the importance of understanding these avenues for creators looking to turn their passion into profit. We discussed the YouTube Partner Program, which allows creators to earn ad revenue, as well as fan funding features like Super Chat, Super Stickers, and channel memberships that enhance viewer engagement. Additionally, we examined the potential of YouTube shopping and affiliate marketing as innovative ways to generate income. For those eager to dive deeper, we encourage you to explore the additional resources linked in the description below, which provide further insights and tools to help you succeed on the platform. Remember, the journey to monetization is not just about understanding the options, but also about actively engaging with your audience and creating valuable content. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Your support helps us create more content and continue to provide valuable insights into the world of YouTube monetization. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.